Motor vehicle industry players have opposed the government's plan to lower the age limit of imported used vehicles from 8 years to 5 years in order to reduce emissions, arguing that the move will make second-hand vehicles unaffordable to majority of Kenyans. The Kenya Auto Bazaar Association, one of the industry players who held consultations with the Kenya Bureau of Standards today in Mombasa, says the government should not alter the current age limit, but instead improve on pre-shipping quality inspection and tightening the noose on issuance of certificates of conformity with the exporting countries. The association also accused new motor vehicle dealers of pushing for the policy for protection against second-hand cars, which are gaining popularity with Kenyans.